Once everybody says loving, loving, but everybody is talking, talking. I wish you could be me, but I really got no feeling. So that I will be numbing. I can tell you about my falling. Love won't be my savior, I should take it slow. Yeah.
Hello guys, welcome to Summer to Park. This is Summer. As promised, today's video I'm going to show you the Defender project for the reviewed one. The older Defender we will find there are coming 5 models in the market. There are coming Defender 90, Defender 90 pickup, Defender 110, Defender 110 pickup, and the Defender 130, the single cabin. So as our project, you will find all the front accessories for the Defender 90 or Defender 110 or Defender 130. They similar, and we have the bonnet, the fender, the firewall. This is very important part. We know the original Land Rover coming the firewall is iron material. It's very easy to come in desert, and it's very important and necessary part. If you want to rebuild a new Defender, this must be changed. So if you want to buy from the market, that's very expensive, but we have the aftermarket ones which is available for all left-hand drive car and right-hand drive car. So we can find the bonnet of the Defender. There is different option for the older ones and the new ones. The older one is the car before 1984 is coming the TDR and the TD4 design. For the TD4 design bonnet, the Palma design is much more popular. We can find the difference is much, the shape is much nice and make the car looks much powerful. So also we can find the window screen, the frame is coming, and the front fender assembly like this one. This is the complete one which is available to order. We can find the parts we make by the aluminum and some iron material to cover it together. So it coming with the front one and the rear one. If you are coming order the rear trunk is coming with the rear fenders, so you don't need to order the rear fender assembly together. You just need the front fenders to make a complete Defender one tab. And this 4 doors is already available to order since last year. The 4 doors, left and right, the front and the rear, and also the rear trunk doors, that's available to order. Also the B-Piero, the small parts is also available in the market. Attempt the request to order to rebuild the new car. So if you have the OE number, just send us for more information. So a lot of parts is on process. If you want to know more information, please don't forget to contact our sales team to give you more advice and suggestion. And we can also find these fenders. This part is also getting popular. And follow my videos, you will find the rear trunk. So follow my videos, we are going to show you the rear trunk of the Defender 90, which I show you in last videos, and I told will give you a suggestion today. This is the rear trunk body for the Defender 90. As we know, the car length is different for Defender 90, Defender 110, the Defender 130. So Defender 90 rear trunk is a little bit different with the Defender 110. So if you have interest to check the details, you can ask our sales team to give you the videos and photos for reference. This part is by the aluminum, and this part we made by the iron material to make it strong. You can do some paintings. This is just blanking. We do not doing the next step, which is coming with gray colors or the gloss colors. So this rear trunk is a project for you guys reference how it look and how will be the older Defender for rebuild. And we can also find another project of the Defender cars is the roof. We know the roof Defender 90 and the Defender 110 is different. So also we can find on that side that the guys is making some proof of this project. This part for Defender is available to ready to ship by the end of this month. So today's video is the information to notice you guys. It's time to ready to buy from the Summer Auto Parts the more and more parts of old Defender and the new Defender. So any questions, just contact us and send me the messages or emails. Don't be forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and next month I will going to show you more details and available parts for Defender. Thank you very much for your watching today, and see you in next video. Bye bye.